In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boost Audiomack streams in Ghana, right? And it's very simple. I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. You don't need to worry. I'll be putting the link in the description. All you need to do is just to click on it and it will take you to the website, right? And if you're new in this channel, I would urge you to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So when you come to the website, it will be like this, but it's not like this that it's supposed to be when you come for the first time. So due to because I already have an account, that's why it's looking like this. So what I need to do is for me to actually log out. Right, so right now I've logged that, and you can see this, right? When you come for the first time as a beginner, this is exactly how it will look like. So all you need to do is for you to create an account. And how do you now create an account? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you in this video. So all you need to do is for you to come and click on this sign up. And you see this sign up right here. You just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you create a username and also put your email, create a password, confirm your password, and also come and click on this I'm not a robot right here. Once you tap on it, right, they will tell you to click some boxes. Right here they say select images with a box, right? So let's click on images with box right here and understand. So here I've selected 3 images with box, right? So they are still telling me to click more, right? So I don't need to click on this. So right here they say we should select images with crosswalk, right? So all we need to do is for us to just select images with crosswalk. And so once you click on it, right, once you click on next, you will see right here it has been accepted, right? So the next you need to do is for you to actually click on the sign up right here, and your account will be created, easy peasy, right? So because I already have an account, I don't need to create a new account, right? So all I need to do right now is for me to log in to continue teaching you guys how to boost your Audiomack streams in Ghana, right? So let's go there. So right now I've logged in, right? So all I need to do right now, if I want to boost my Audiomack stream, right, all I need to do is for me to come to this category. Can you see this category right here? You just need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to go and look for Audiomack services, right? So right here, we need to go down, 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 down. And I think right here, you can see this Audiomack services. Can you see Audiomack services right here? It's right here. So you don't need to come and select the services, right? And once you select it, then the next thing you need to do is for you to come and click on this services right here. So once you tap on these services right here, can you see it? You just need to tap on it. You now come and select the preferable play you need. Right here, you can see Audiomack followers, Audiomack direct play. You can also see Audiomack add to playlist. You can also see Audiomack likes and Audiomack re-up. So in case if you need all those other services, you can also get it on this website. Right now, we're going to be selecting Audiomack direct play. Understand? So once you select on it, the next you need to do is for you to actually read the description to actually know what you're about to buy. But right here they say the minimum you can buy is 100 streams, and the max you can buy is 10 million streams. And also the link that you need is your track link, right? And it starts within 0 to 30 minutes, right? So once you place this order, I just need to wait, and this order will start reflecting within 0 to 30 minutes. And also they say you should note when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process changes, right? Do not place second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So if your order have not been completed, do not place another order on that particular link, because it will cause a delay, right? So all you need to do is for you to, once you place an order, just wait for it to complete before you place another one. Right here you can see the next you need to do is actually to put your link right here, and you see a place to put your link right here. So in case you don't know how to copy your link, let me quickly show you guys how to copy this link. I will be going to Audiomack to show you guys how to copy this your track link. So right here I'm in Audiomack, right? All I need to do actually is for me to just select any music right here, so okay, you can see this. I'm in one of my customers page, right? So I don't need to come right here. You can see these 3 dots right here. You can see all these his tracks, right? And you can also do view all track if you're on your home page, and also do view all tracks right here. You can see these 3 dots right here, these 3 dots right here. All I just need to do is for me to tap on it, and once I tap on it, you can see copy music URL. Can you see this copy music URL right here? Once you tap on it, you will see that your link will be copied. You don't need to come to Grow Better right here and paste that link that you copied. You can see right here. Then the next you need to do is for you to put the quantity, which is the amount of audio streams that you want. You just need to put the amount. If it's 100, you put 100. If it's 1,000, if it's 1 million, any amount of streams that you want, just put it and it will count. So now I've put the quantity I want. The next thing I need to do is for me to just come and click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit? I just need to tap on it, and once I tap on it, you can see your order received, right? You can see my order have been received. It's very simple. This is exactly how to do it. Once you do it like this, it will start going immediately. But there is something I want you guys to understand, that in this platform, all these things you're buying is not free, so you need to pay money for you to actually use these services. And how do you now make payments? All you need to do is for you to come right here. Can you see this three line up here? These three lines up here, just tap on it. All right, so once you tap on it, you will see by the left hand side, you see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? You can see the add fund. You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the payment method that is here currently is manual payment method. They now tell you to read the instruction, right? Kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number below, which is a Momo MTN Momo account. You just need to send money to it, right? And you can see the name attached to the Momo. Make sure that everything align. All right, then provide proof of payment, which is payment screenshot with your username, so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, or click on this contact us, right? Or if you can't click on the contact us, you can also click on this WhatsApp icon. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? You just need to tap on it, and it will take you to their admin, and you just need to send them the screenshot of the payment you made and tell them that you have made payment, and they are going to confirm the payment and ask you for your Grow Better GH username, and they are going to will complete your payment instantly. Then you come back to the website and do exactly what I did earlier and purchase your Audiomack streams. Very simple. This is exactly how to do it, right? So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, and also please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.